say a quarter to 8 o'clock. Me to do a diet anymore. Abrante bemo hunu ne pa. Send ye boa wo de koto enema o Canada ho. Aso ye ne ba bia ne send omudi omudwuma nyina. Memo akwabo.
Yeah,
I want to say
Oman nyame adum
bia dadin.
Oman nyame adum.
Canada yetio.
Oman no pa me fa kwanya we so na minchia we tifo no hwefo ni bibiara. Wanya kwanya oti Sompa FM 93.1. Yes wanya kwanya na yehwe Sompa TV. Yeni chakese perfect Kennedy digital settler so ye. Oman na o say EPO no masase. Yes EPO na Oman na minchia me boss ansawati because papa ne nam ne so na ensemi en me di ba me kurti egu people isu a me be ka ho asemi nyina na papa no so enye me tumi so Oman papa na dwene Ghana mani wiasema na santema nyina ho se wo hu se nkokorafo epe ball papa emerewafo pe ball papa enketesia mabawa Oman obebe keto ya de bia me ne ba he ai samene ne te ho na ebia me hwe program bia na me fa se double ne ehwa na me see me change akoto be fufu na daddy no daddy no na say me koto no ball man say emofra nyina epe ball that's right that time no pe nyame hiraw onyame nyokese onyame nka ho onyame mo ho ban na adwen papa wo tirima wo say obema home appliances boyful to the extent say DSTV subscription yes say ye dey be nipa free no and papa no that nyame hiraw yakopon mo no mo ho de asa ne ma wi de bia obetim na bedum Ghana man o man anope Kennedy ahye ye ka say home appliances o man ne be fie ye ni kama fie ye ni gie che se fie be ya kono ma o man unze etoda wa say utifie na ne bi ni fie na upia kwa bonten ukoye den nyame wadom ma nyame wadom se dan na utima o man TV wom fridge wom air condition wom microwave wom kettle wom iron wom blender wom o man sane ma wo fie o man nyama man te kra nya wode enyema we e kai danda setra huti na Kennedy digital seller ya base ye be ma nyema we bua ye fu obi etimi atobi ntu betimi atobi dia na ne the price be tudwa ope TV atoy na the price tudwa ope fridge atoy ye the price tudwa ope air condition atoy the price tudwa nemom EPL na ya sase no ye de achede tentire kese ye promotion kese eba o ma yebe to ase be say the telephone numbers ni tudwa me serew enema ye bobodi ope kettle ope iron ope blender ope fufu pounding machine ope meko machine ope bro machine ope television ope washing machine ope woofer say ye papa na ye kama ope decoder papa odi be see dem dia TV so odi be head digital odi be seller o man sane ma we nyina e Kennedy digital seller no ma be so ni din titan wan numbers ni 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 Oma baby ya wo bia wo Ghana mam ha wo super so ni Kennedy nkita ho wo pese ne ma ne di bi ma no wo baby bia wo bia o ma fe telephone number we a ye de be ma no no man na promotion tentire ye kese pese me de sha ase me sere wo pen ni people baby ya wo tibia no fa na twro me semi a me ba be ken Omaba Kennedy ahye ye TV boy ye say fo efiri ni nketo mu kona kasim into Omaba Kennedy digital seller ya hye ya 32 inches television Oma ye de 880 Ghana cedi pe Oma pe ye pese obi atimi to TV di bone dem Oma say enne Ghana fo ye ba be bobo Oma just imagine obi also because Omani team into Omani ye bi so do hu sembi Oma ye ni team cost stadium no e ye team so ne be hebo no Oma woni team o dem a obeda nya ni gie dia hebo yi bi enti na Kennedy say o pe 32 inches television de ye papa na ne bo fo digital satellite Oma price no e ye 880 Ghana cedi na wo ye dealer na se wo be tu bia ko ton a enyo price ni ye be sa til so set we se be ko bia no wo betimi ni Kennedy digital seller e wipe Oma last week me ba me ka sa Kennedy TV biaba Oma TV ni a double screen television ahwehwe na set TV nanim no e hye so mienu enti bia me ko bia me say TV no media ma no say to bo ba me mempai ja me hye ho mempai enti so wo say ono ma
amanfo ani je ho pa anti next week
yeah
oba monfa ne picture mramechi
omanyame aduma be ba TV no hu say the city a
screen it for na your fan to TV no slow because very good o ka o mo picture but omu hunu na de ban ni e
no kro man
wo fra na obusa
say the TV the screen no
catch Kennedy say yes you on famra na ye hunu why
tipa o man screen to asumi no e TV e fa e kama no ma TV no promotion da so nie You were 50 inches ɛwɔ hɔnom. You were 65 inches ɛwɔ hɔ. You were 60 inches ɛwɔ hɔ. You were 75 inches ɛwɔ hɔnom. O ma you were 80 inches ɛwɔ hɔ. The maka ne ho asɛm nyina ɛyɛ digital, ɛyɛ satellite, ɛsɛ smart televisions. O ma promotion ɛde bani. Last week me ba ha me the prices ni nyina to dwa. O ma prices say the city no. Yenye ne hwe. Na director say yes EPO yes na Ghana ho ye nyina yes Bundesliga say yes ye be Champions League say ye ba be La Liga say ntino o ma ya obi apese nani je ho no betimi hwesa bonti Kennedy say wa ye kanie yes uto Steve we be 50 inches echo o ma that me say uto 50 inches uto 55 inches uto 60 inches uto 65 inches uto 70 inches uto 75 inches o man prices am dey be two jan me say that two jan e the same price enya ne hwem uto wi a yesa tell DSTV decoder na ho niema nyina set o man ye dey tell wi ne enya nwie ye yesa so ma se fa hwebo bi a opi bia o my bin see da ukrum na I just say Kennedy digital sell share because they be me transit me say Kennedy dream nipa ho because of pekoya US nipa o ti US obi ani beje enti no so obi ameto fridge fesi dem wo penso no wo yibi no ma woni beje obi ameto television de ne boofo wo hebi woni beje obi ameto air condition wo hebi o ma hwen woni beje enti ma sa wo to TV so hebi promotion chenchirente e koso e wo adum family plaza building the first floor we ko patasi so e koso Adum house Adum house a patasi Pierre from a dynamic o man ye kon so ye koso wager old barrier kokuro bi te junction travel and pay promotion we koso o man to 50 inches uto 55 inches uto 60 inches uto 75 inches uto 65 inches ye tell DSTV decoder and no one about the body decoder ni ye tell free o man dey tell we enya nwie o to ya ne dey tell ye wi ya sa so ma no dey ahye bi a ope bia
or channel for how many months?
So my sister will share. My sister will share. My when the bet me I just a Kennedy share. And my wife will tanta. O person need get a who is here. My number is 0244 385 128. Oh my TV is the one I'm going to you. Oh my TV 50 inches television your bonnie say for 44. Yeah, Brandon a Nasco or my say 44 lefo o my obabi abeko bia TV make am wasem o beto 3000 Ghana cedi dem o ba Kennedy ahwe ya te so about 2890 Ghana cedi o ma tie 65 inches in so e double screen no to so mienu e digital cell size smart o ma 65 inches make am wasem baby abeko bia no o beto bi 8000 Ghana cedi you so dem of kwad be ma 7008 Kennedy say promotion ye the prices you to be nyina ya chance say ship e dey about 6900 Ghana cedi e bo na fu e Kennedy ahwe that baby I will be a nyame sure what so what tini ma so say na obi atimi nya akonya won be to ne ma because o ma tifie na se TV ni ho ma to wokwa o tifie na fridge ni ho to wokwa we aduane na de o di si won ma de te so o ma be sei e say Ghana ha no aduane ye ntu de ka se fridge nti Kennedy mo obi akonya say open Nasco television open Nasco fridge open Nasco air condition be a Nasco who be a opia no the best price in the market Kennedy get say like o ma 55 inches na me de to dwa o ma last week me ba has boy me de to dwa sana me sa do to dwa o ma 55 me be ko bia be to 6500 ye kwara na de bo fune de 5005 and am promoting e cost nti ya tesu de about 4989 Ghana cedi o ma bo na fo me okra wo so even no be 55 inches say smart e digital size satellite screen to so yin o ma wonya be say Kennedy ahwe ye o ma be say ne digital one number na ye 0244 385 128 telephone number we say see any new nkita ho bia o ma 75 inches no ya tesu de about 10700 Ghana cedi o ma pe table top fridge o ma ya table one so e de about 1270 Ghana cedi o pe table top double door o ma ya tesu say ship e de about 1499 Ghana cedi o ma akwanya de mama Ghana money asantemani wes ma nyina say to air condition for both them na air condition bo for Kennedy ahwe o ma air condition me be ko bia no 1.5 horsepower o be ton of 3008 o be to be 4200 Kennedy see promotion e cost no ntino ye chance say she e de about 2799 Ghana cedi o ma obi so pe wu for papa ya o de be see de mo de be see de mo de be tie Omanhene morning show on Sompa Sompa FM 93.1 Oma ufa ye kama papa na ne bo foni nyina Kennedy kita sela oma ya hwe honum oma ye serew enema obi se ope 43 inches smart television 43 inches ye smart ye digital size seller oma bebe be ko be beton 2500 Kennedy se na promotion ekoso Ghana ha ya wo ba aduma ekoso okọ patasia ekoso okọ kan wager old barrier kokobita junction ekoso 43 inches smart ye so say ship e dey 1950 Ghana cedi o ma me sere uba Kennedy so ya make sure say wo wura entrance wo ye ton ye niam ne wo fom obi si niam ne bi ni a o ma nya no kre ye the numbers in locations ne to so na ya sore so ba bia wo bia me sere ne nkita ho sesi a wo ya ba adwuma ni TV sam me bi obi wo pa bia o ma me sere obetimi do pay slip oba ne ye no wan hihye ne di mani na wo ko free o ma numbers ne ye 0244 385 128 o ma adwuma ne sade aba ne fufu ande machine bi ho meko machine bi ho popcorn machine bi ho ebro machine bi ho we ye adwuma kese a Kennedy di aba be to bi ne fa kwesi ne fa ye adwuma na wo be hu se eyampa Kennedy nyine mabo fufu kekene afu ye sade adwuma brega na mani asentman se to fufu ande machine fa ye adwuma to meko machine fa ye adwuma to popcorn machine fa ye adwuma to ebro machine fa ye adwuma to iron ye papa to ceiling fan to standing fan ye papa na to TV ye papa ni nyina e wo Kennedy digital seller o ma number ne ye 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 Oman Edum Family Plaza building in the first floor where Patase your Adum house o kon kan so you wager old barrier Kokurubite junction traffic line as pay Oman say home appliance what you about trima company be mu na yura Kennedy digital satellite Oman nyami shop
nyami shop so pa ya to adwumade ni so ha no mama ene director of elections MPP asue Yera Evans ni makonto twen komo Yera ni makon Sompa TV radio online ye ma wache anope
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
Yera Evans ni makon ye ma wache All right, about Yaya Randy Marconi and Nabe Casa. Yentimi and connected line quickly na yenko. Na bibia entimi entoja MIA. Who said Doctor Tanasi Enchebia and in Subedin Como Dimpa. Now they all say the tuja bia, ya de atuja. So come and check the line. Yentimi shama bibia enkofe ne yewra ni mako na ebe twe enkomo anopai na yetimi ahwe ne enkomodie no mudi ye no sania enema ne sikoye okay yes aka yewra ni mako nti yentimi hwe ne yewra ni mako be mo achi anopai Eda sepa se wanya abotra maye na enra ye din komo anopa no kra na msimu ye meeting na balloting ne maye na tama na me ni udin komo no de na munsanya nka ye wura akwadwa lanche maten krata de tie ye ne se be no nkrumpa mu hono na dispatch e de bremo enra musia mu no na edom na ehwe ani mu senka ebesi na no pay de Nanka ya wunu baby a yewura Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawomi awoda akompre kon Canada ohine Japan afri yakoto adanimo ene wo mo aka ho nyina no nipa num no enka obia baby oda nanso so amasa yatete nsem pi se montman si ginaye ede airport ne siye wada roma
Sompa FM.
Yenina yetie Sompa.
Romana Sesiano Electoral Commission ne anamontu a wo tuo se obehwe se limited registration omoya no districts no ne abeto dwane se no ase wuti omampani dada kra o se wa expand no nanka enkonkronkro te se ne kan ne moye no MPP mu gina ye ne sei
Sompa FM.
Okay, yababa modern ya nya no na ne metie ne sem se interview no kra no se montehwe wo mo bo modern na o matimi a resolve na yetimi na yira ni makwa twetwe nkomo na o matimi ama line atom enkomodi ana media no wa chechire mpa so se mo amwo montri nyina no mante mo fa ncheye pa me kasa eba na nso so no kasa no ema radio no mame ema mi nua ne se mi nka se mi nua pani o se mi nua kuma o doctor I to say
na mi adomoko
bibi aboko
mi adom ho
ya ara no free kwasi ara so ye nshia bio
that's right bibi aboko obi ani agijuma wo be di wo gospel light
oro
me enshira wo pa na mo so atimi abeye eno ana ehia ne fata
that's right
I mean sure once again
yeah aseda enya media
that's right
okay
eno jina no pay no di
pay ni nkomo
yes monya ehu dimpa
ma fa we twem quickly tickets Black Star tickets no bus studio and many doctor din nkomo wie ya me bia homa na tum wa obetima friend no na ya chew tickets ai tickets ni ba be do sisia ti and ebi benya ticket to Haloma kohwe football match doc
that's right
mama ntiwa
do nya ti dimpa natural health yenka penetre say stomach ulcer eho eho asem we am no can say eno a obi free Sompa ebai da anopa ya na ye tradition is obi ba anopa ye sorry ye no ye frɛ wo mo ba nyina na ya hwe nse because you expect bibi obi a we be dimpa so ye bia say next morning unya indication say wakoba bi na ye frɛ lady no no say ma nantia na me am sorry ne no me hu say makoba bi pa enunti abusuafo dimpa natural health yes say stomach ulcer last stopper na ye nokre na ye ka ulcer ho asem no eye say wokoba bi pa enye akese asem nko a aye ba bia wo bekwa ye papa afe uhia emfidipa uhia enupa uhia nimde papa afe say wo bobra pa say wa anya onioma yi a enupa no achi no enhehye ya anko yi a emwa eno nti na they say from last week masha say ye nkyerɛkyerɛ the 10 commandments of stomach ulcer treatment.
That's right.
As a sound say when you do pa, near show ye do a fan video na and say pa a shas, you know. As all Barbara Bopabin so na boama bibia sisi and until you sit 10 commandments and the kind say take less oil and take less red meat.
Yeah.
So say
oil no
oil semono.
Ah won nuane
no nyina no tete so kra. Afi sad
nam so sad nam.
And nam we red.
Kabenyanka with fish.
Namu a sade wo mu no
sade wo mu no ani so ye kokko no
stomach ulcer ni problem o de bra ye indigestion udidi entumi indigest
china sama
ukodi bibia oil dọọso ana sade dọọso pa ebema problem aba eno nti no kwasam no say ye wadwen yi na ti ase say you will take less oil and then less red meat. Commandment de tosum ye no ye as I say, we now say a person ye sa oil near Tissuninti no. I been quite got a quiet and on our pair. Just a wee free once. Sir, ours are my wakwa.
Also, wakwa my ben quine cut to quiet
free ho. A free set a peja oil content a won't
fat and fat. A man cholesterol. Do
I dear be a peja. Cholesterol biano a bema digestion a problem and until I would tissue you through now
me peg at the quite pound tell me new osa
only osa they are with my I'm a pepper yeah when your house are not old treat others so abama ye hweno and now be so ba but the whole children do only kind as
on no like soup kakra.
That's right.
Okay.
Afi as I said drinks no and no she energy drinks in the utu so the carbonated drinks no so when you also the people so nyina no also ni wa brabo mu a
na say eno nko no eno carbonated drink entimi ma also
na emo
say wo de a
as say wo twe
ho na anko say okay atiase
yan ka say we na de ba na emo wunya bidi as say wo hwe yi okay ya to so 9 year enidi amoroso at a time. Okay. Say obu wa o se me didi ebia mpre.
Me aduane me di ni once. Me di heavy.
Say uja hosa, what me did ye open e was hosa how there. Untumi ntrase ni di me na afa unya ba bi homemfa.
Ana say ebia doctor symptoms aya wo bodin no. Say uhunu bia.
Uhu bia. Obu okwa so onya hu
ni but symptoms aya wo ka dizziness
untimi ni udidi indigest ye udidi na ama obo ya oya ochi ya oya ututu afa untimi na wani su bire wuti ya oya saa ne o ma no amakeka no se wonya kra mam ye testing wu se also
na saa ne ma
ne bi wo so a hyase
saa ne ma wo kan so
ne ma me bobo so yi no ebe ma wasumdue kakra afa wo ba treatment no be fa entem kra okay afa the also you reduce gas now and avoid milk products beans milk
beans na ka na mi sro do
no
now go be pa
go no de aduane a
it go be time ben pa na e good awia
go be de awia na ye
so wuti go be nwumre de mo
Near beans and digesting them, garin digesting,
and our gas,
oil womb. This way, a tiny no may pack.
A boy just a boy for protein. Near what now, Educosia, so and ma enti no be di go ba enti no mo me go ba ndo do na awia tika ba be 12 na wo jira so wo ya adwuma no udi wia na di suo no fire loss
afero so we say o
ma no nyuru na na
o ma no mutie bia no betumi okay enti no se akwaya ni mu a esese udidi entem generally obia no de obia em wadidi enkwa anajo so be say abra bosisi so yi a late supper it doesn't help because the time between a bra what did supper anytime or the bed should be minimum of 4 hours and when this oh also there and na ensese omma wadidi no kwa na dwokra yenhye eno nso enso afei say also ba wa bra bomu a body apesi nso muwa body apesi da agye hye awofom and when this also how there hwɛ sɛ wobɛyi bɔɔde apɛsie afiri wadidie mu wobɛtumi adi bɔɔde fufuo wobɛtumi adi fufuo alright but sɛ ba sɛ ɔsa ɛtete wo de a make sure sɛ abere biara no wobɛyi bɔɔde apɛsie adi afiri wadidie mu amransɛm a ɛtɔ so nson ɛyɛ ɛsɛ sɛ deɛ ɛtɔ so nwɔtwe ɛsɛ wo avoid the spicy food spices bebree
why no I will say this here dog our for cry is here 80% did ya want no because to say be a nema ba hey
yeah
anopa bia o say be didi
o pese abrabo no koyi a o ka se o kodi o yere aduane a wa ya ma wa nadwo a o benya problem
e o ba isu so ye aduane akoso asomo ma ye aduane a wan die no o se me hu de ma ye me kunu na nsen e na oni me aduane e na me nim so aye ne bone a e na jama ga bi kwa na ye aduane ma mu ku ye
enu ti dimpafo otufo se me na o ka se ma me ma secret ba ko anopa yi me yira sore awo fufu amadi ansa na meba
what we fufu
I tell you me chia me yere Patricia
why are there
the nti ate sa ne say me te faako na me ye madwuma me nkofie me firi amekwa asore ansa na makofie
ti mo se be 8:30 na kodi fufu a
asem aba
ti se nkondo fufu a no pa no
anumre woni nkora ne di fufu anumre me obewo me de amama no pa because me de kwa anumre a menya problem eno je no kwa asem ne say esese woni wo yere woni wabusu ne manage be ma pani o wo fie say manage na didi na say obeku no
my picky wako na fa numbers no. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me ba cho hwan nie abu dia bi uti course ru che obia ba cho hwan am ne ka say ken na uko dimpa na dia da na ye wa uko pie ho
Sompa FM.
Ow. All right, red us, doc. I'm saying yeah, problem kakra hold it.
Okay.
Yeah, you trust free.
Nipa ya o ka say ye nya no ya maybe next week ye be say
next week you better try no na fa numbers
no dimpa natural health
information on the amount no crab important
dimpa natural health ye wo Kumasi dichem so currently the ye center na ye 1 and until dichem so Kumasi dichem so between airport and Manshia ye ni plaza side they mom ye wo Manshia road
okay
na udru airport one about you ask of the Manshia road ofa kwan so a hwehwe old health insurance building
okay
they say ye fra ho dimpa junction na oban a na wafa ye numbers na frɛ 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34 after 0246 744
744
0246 744 744 and then see them di twa to ye dimpa natural health yasem nyina ne se de eye wo no eye se wo bo wachi uti untumi nna tipa ye bebre ne farba e sha ase wo yefunu mu na aba akoma ne kotire wo de enkase chinchina me jimi ho achinye hwehwe dimpa kira kwa odi chem so wo ba ibenya abotre de wafa mfidie mu na ye de asomdwe ama onipadua nyame enhira ye nyina mesro boa me na me mo numbers the last time.
Okay.
0245 11
84
34 0245 11 84 34 Dimpa Natural Health stomach ulcer
last stop. Hey.
Omanhene Yaw do me ho ye pa.
Bibia boko. Wasu ye so e.
Masu ye nso ye.
Kochi dadi.
Kochi dadi.
Ya trouble Freddy.
Ya trouble Freddy.
Ya kokatwi. I don't pay Dr. Mensa atrase. Osise wo ba no. Onum nu bone. Se wo dofo no. Ensan na do dem ho nyina bon. Wo de friend no. O me ma wo na wo de afred duane no no di sekim. Next what to me tisakana no bio ananya Dr. Mensa. Ene niama pi na papa nyame ama ni nimtie ni nyansa ni hunu mu. Na minyi ni kasa mfiri nanum. Now we teaser. Doc yanko.
O ma me das. In fact, say when you see pa. There be am come me say enipa bia o ye hypocrite bia me penasem. That is me. Obi ase o ye nya atwom na. We say enya de a etia hwiu.
David.
Na esa aboa ma adwene mu da.
Obi wa otema no pe ma sheki no.
Na o ma uni me ko takwa hotel the Helder. E ho na me da. Na me ko na me ko fabric faster. Da bia me ko na kane baby ana o.
Ne da ho.
Ena me bi so na da na da bia mo de to yo mo se hwe Omanhene. Ye ntie ya nhwe da korokora ye divintra. Ena me se ada wo se hwe. Se do be ni moral akora o de be ma wa no pa no. Se woni be je ho ma wa untimi je nti Omanya me nhira o. Na anope wa wo so nkofo. Ma yenko ni sei. Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic. Ejumade a ye die no. Nyame aba Roma ya sa pagya mu bi.
That's right.
On say da bia ya meka say e ya were ho sem say oba tan be wo ba na ba wo be wo no akora na onyini ba na wo bo no ho ka na woduru ba bia afi aye sika so ho mai bi wo so oba so onya nyini ma na ho fu ya o ma sika se no ho hase ba nwin se pe wada na sika
Ai
on say the city no sa na oba wo hwe na no wie university a wada na sika so ye wo be ma so ye wo ba wada na sika wie na wo be harvest a eni kwa so wo say you
say ye oh
so wo hase ye so wo say de na say uni ani da so biu enu ntina obi a wo be no mu bone or no drugs akwala otumu say wi wa no ma fi na adwene ya say wo no mu kokei wo gina kwam na wo pan kofo kai na sun ne ban no hwe na che se wo hwe de da TV su ya che se de eda wo twi mi no wa jani
puha what ti wo case kwa
o ma e serious
na kwala be say na
no say adwene no asay
so bitimi hu nipa ba pa
o ma
na na be na wo twi no onware
che se
na wanom no ko dware a
betine ne so e serious issue
nipa ba
enti mesre mo amo he Sompa TV ne mo amuti Sompa FM se Dr. Mensa Ankran sama mi tu koma obi abi se wo ba tumi sakora wa kodnu boni nu mu watra so wo no mo nsa ono mo wi ono mo jot ono mo koke ono mo tramo ono mo nu boni bia bi mesra hwehwe ya chidi kwan wate na ye moa o ye mfa duro kama ye mfa moa o na anika sam ne se ya ye mfa kora me omu hunu na duane a odi na de awo no odi som a wawie de echira ye nkate ye nkwan ne enkunuma nkwan asa saa nkwan me no pewei eno nko ape na ye duro ni chiri enti wo de ansa obehwe ya chiri kwan na wafre na ya boa o ma ye kan se me no mienu nko a na hya na ye kasa senka obi ena wonya saa yale efe na halitosis bia wo kasa bonsa ha nyina nyafu
ka hadem akra
na ha nyina sabe ebon enti obi a wonya saa yale efe na halitosis bia no ewo yem eni wutirimu obi ono ma obesoduro saa no osoduro mesrawo halitosis yale ewo yem eni wutirim so wo kasa na enka wo mu a yale a enim guase eni hwe Dr. Mensa chiri kwae ya be pass obi amaw na duro no ya be kire se de obesi a obe no no wodom no 3 days onti cent bia wonu mu bio na kono no enti ya duro na ankasa de obe no 7 days but
3 days
no also hunu se ejai enti mesra obi a onya halitosis ya le bi se untimi mayaso ye kola na asesi ya de ya gum ye delivery service nti baby a obi a offer Dr. Mensa ni ane me wa ho na me ye de na mensa ka bi na wa send wi sikaba da no obi kana Dr. Mensa me send ba na mensa nka medure me kwasi Mensa me nyoda eni mesrawo o send ba me du oduru be brew na ya kire na ni so na wa yo e be boa bebrebe o ma hwe iwi ase nyame bo obi ase wonye yi asemu ye hu hia me pa nyame bo obi ase di yi etomle bi a ya na asem bi a Bible ka nyame se me na me mo obi di yi e na me mo obi di hia
ya conclude ni say
ya conclude ni say
e ne pese
odi hia
ene nka Yesu ametu poverty
sa poverty nka no so efiri hen
wo be kuti ai
enti de me kire ni say kan ye mpanifo no mo haban bi efe na dwara eno na ye di dwale nkwala eno so ade na no mo yosa ye de pamo ho sasa ye wo bibia fe ne sasa
so bu sasa di na
sasa di na chi
ba bia onya favor
na me se akwa bi wo ekuru fe na kosi men sa no so na ni de se me a wo kwa ha na anye yi otu kwa akwa bijan enye yi Nigeria enye yi na okọ South Africa no musa de bai no musa na kosi men sa won kwa ada na ba bia abeko bi enye yi wo se na se ade hwen into the din the when be seen o man so ho de me chire enti sasa edi na chi no enkoye enti ya waduro bi a mensaka muntie ne ye pa watiefo ne ayefo mensaka duro bi eduro na mensaka no wo bedwale ne nanso a ye 7 days wo dwale a o ye be ma ye nko oba ho o ye oba nso ye nko be ma ho na ye dwale ne ye kra danso da ye de wo se me de akwasi mensa akwasi ada na nka me hase ye dwale na najo to we
na 7 weeks
7 weeks enti wo bedwale kwasi ada no
7 weeks o ko yire ho
na nso o man ha ye serious
7 days
7 days
but a week bia wo krada
Debbie, obedwale atoa so wo hyase wo krada na
wo hyase wo krada na wo de awie
wo de awie wo krada
okay na baba ntini na kameme 7 weeks na doctor o ba ka just doctor for what do
wo my name so
7 days pe
7 days pe
7 days
so utimi dwale se aduro yi se pe eyi sasa no firi ho eno ye sasa bone a edi obi achi a ebode no magu
ebode ne magu
obi wa he woton a enye ye you try the cabe 100 million a month.
Obedi ni nyina. Obi so ohunu ba bi odi ni sika. Obi wa sa no asese.
Oh my serious. Obi o try the 100 million. Bosu mi o. You try the ka wie ya sa da na do ye hase pie. Obe gina so ache sika ni nyina sasa edi na 15 no obobosia. Serious. And me select here for say ye the Dr. Mensa number 2 dwa mo amohe TV ne de no an the good screen ne so no.
That's right.
Ye the 2 dwa me say da na me ka me so obi kai a wa painting ne mo no kwara no. O pa fa ebo o twede ho. Obi say crash ya da na ye say Dr. Mensa number. Wonyo hwe. Me sra ma mo nyesa o no ma ankonya ma ne. Enti me sra o Dr. Mensa number de be pese me kire on say hu hia. So wonya Dr. Mensa number e be boa wa wo brem obam onhihye mu bibia mu no unya ebeboa e na retentive memory so boa nkwala o madwena wuo obi a na adwena awu akwala na apani obi wono ma na adwena no ensisi so yie unya samen creatinum herbal powder bia ebe ma wa adwena no aye ntem aye bibia epese ye obi wono ma wonya stroke anwodwe yale uhia samen creatinum herbal powder edro we na ye de ewo ka ho ma obi a na adwena wabon sa na ya no mo ka no ozi wabon ha na nyame bo no zo wo mo researchers bi kura kire say enipa bia o ma hena ansa na wunya mfie aduoso ana aduowotwe no na adwene nyame de ma no ma e wo se efa no entimi mfamu kwota
oh yes
sa na researchers ni bi eka enti nipa bia nyame bo se wa adwene nya dwuma enti na obi ntimi mfa na adwene nya dwuma na se nipa na adwene wu ohia de ebe building na ebe Kenya na ma na adwene na ye ntentem sa enti mesra mo muhia retentive memory product yes samen retinum herbal powder unya dre bia ebeboa wo pa Dr. Mensa eye adwuma brebia ye nida ye mfanya adwuma number ye didi dwuma na me di tudwa me wi a me wie yes asopa ncha asemte enti me wi a me wie me nka se bio number ye didi dwuma de ye di kan eye 0244 92 69 0244 92 69 and 0271 17 35 51 0271 17 35 51 and 0532 92 80 95 0532 92 80 95 ahoma we mu bia obepusu bia no ye bedi nkomo ye akiri kwan ewo kochi no yase uduru brofu yedu atwam ho brofu kasem odurudo brofu yedu twam na bra kochi beka twi kire Dr. Mensa tie asempa we etia na ye kan he obi wa na so woden a chen mum wo ka sɛnea na so bɔ no wa enti wɔnte hwee na emu mu onyame pɛ mo agye mu nyinaa de wote Dr. Mensa nka yale ahodo aka nyina sɛ yɛ prostate sɛ yɛ sciatic problem sɛ yɛ glaucoma sɛ yɛ deɛ o problem bia no wo de bakutwi a nyame nam me so ebe saw yale enti Omanhene
yes
be de manu wasi ha se de me kae no wo mo nyame pɛ wo magye wo mo no
wo mbefre
wo behwehwe Dr. Mensa chiri
siawa Dr. Nyame nka ho
ami
odwuma pa ne odwuma so a wudi de bra Mr. Boakye retired UN auditor opening kase pa watrase one oba a wose asem no wodi kwa asase na se to fom na afiabo anya ate ase na bombata-fo nyina so ate ase so na me one lawyer George Opon you see how their friend go for go GOGO Kwabiri East for was who obema ma kwan no hey man be she bo ma o Jami Aduma, what you need to pa, why you presiding member che officer Mraso say, Utimiko Dimon Como Ewo, Mrasebeja Firmamo, a July George Opon, MP hopeful.
Very well.
MP hopeful. Kwabri, you say friend go for George Opon. GOGO. Besari Kawaji there, one other go. Ubo short no better. Is I want you to bomb to say.
Oh, Nyamiadom.
Bibi aboko there. They don't bother. That's George's way.
Nyamiadom, my
Bibi aboko.
Nyamiadom. Bibi Adam na kweb.
Abrante we an inspiration to the youth. Mekanisa. Baby an infie dru ya one paba or call law school and they were lawyer no. Ebi a one ka ujem. Ebi odinti ko rewrite. And they were lawyer ni mapa. Wasa aswa sua dia law no chese oba mu nche so. And somehow made it here no it's good. It's good. Lawyer, congratulations.
That's all mine.
What I'm hearing for and then nipa BGD omanya wo mu ne sene wodi mrano edi jumano seniors no dey nyesa man fans. Wa mra kunya se wo court. Da bibia aye kama pa. Bisa waje yeni nkommo. Kojala nchematen. Waje o say nneema o mo share no nyesa no mfa so. Ya bruni ni pantu waje. Ebi say ala nso so duabo. O dey ya usimajai. Ya usimajai. Party no election committee say omonye the Alan can say the election was deemed to be manipulated to favor one candidate. Yes, I know. They've shut down what we can. Near Tosumienu Electoral Commission. And no man penny that attitude just say unexpanded limited registration. Now unpublished officers are or mubedi jumano. Na amase unhunu ye we Adea Abia asema nkofo adwene ho wo mo manya mfie du nwotwe kokyiro mudi wo mo so mu nkyiro mudi dan peso mu kyiro mudi eno so de de to abai ase all of a sudden district in the air to no mo so da bia wo fie kwa no a so ame midiribi nie aboabo midiribi ye de machine abesi ho kwabere embe ye twiro din wo ho then all of a sudden just say me call district office some kutromidi omufi say hindrances be to disenfranchise some people tiabeye nyawo tamako say na nyawo Alan go independent bisa waji miti wa no pe MPP
yo ne di kai meda wase say moto safre me aba mo studio ha na wotwe na machia madofo a omo ebeda Boakye Premier Hotel me am bom pata for so machia mo na wotwe awie me waye menua panini ba ko wu enua ba me bana yie na asema da pono studio na obi ye de ekoka both political parties nyina greed corruption
into ne Sam Jonah ya adwene
obuka se mene ne kwade sade o engineer o school mu obuka se na adwene o trim greed corruption enter bia ma power for sale
Ghana
is here
both parties
yes obia obeka se obo bia run bakra sheda no behave like an ostrich Obia, they would rather fizzle you out, buy you out, or whatever to the two political parties. MP NDC for Congress, one who is here.
Yes.
MPP for the won't take. I feel quite a social media offer can cry airtime. Airtime.
Adeni abidru hey.
Anybody make greed and corruption. Yajiatum. Our Ghana ha. Aba ben aba. I've taken any serious approach to kill corruption or minimize corruption. Show of open papa yi also compare MP di bisa no e bedu so obedi MP oni 5 billion okoto agua ontimi nya MP what 5
that's also bro 5
na fe e ba asem na mpase
the bottom line is power for sale.
Yes, power for sale. Obia pon challenge me okofa we beka me so we only me background.
Oh yes,
I go deep and I've been on the political scene for pretty long time. Na first ne o kakra first ne bi in the sacre moto because of hard taxi, you know, the speaker says in a campaign. Bisa papa any obetimi and then one pick up okra would team for campaign or constituency. Billions and motor power for say greed will be a protecting the office. Then do because one coalition be because of be muni adenya who near koso. Say ye developing freedom. One political party slogan. Do you see it in practice? Party apparachiti hierarchy nyina timi babonte be kase support we. CEOs obi a support we. Democracy no. Omo so omo ka ho so munum se muntumi mo ko bobo sien se mo sponsor se mo so makodu jankete bi no omo so ade adi ni nyina bone ni ametite no kra de chese be ma omo grassroots no kwa hwe abade ko omo nto sika akọ nipa be 900 ho no. I'm for people.
Nipa 956. Sika
abedi hono.
So I'm sure my police station for us because maybe I say.
And then no squad matters or more plans or more charm CEOs say 50% of them can some more sika. Boom boom. No mon koto. For what? Unbokroba. Obey no obey the chrono obebo. And the juicy contracts on ma incompetent contractors in Nkofo na omakoji scan akodi na agreements are mobile enter ni nyina ye agree fictitious ni manko a kwan bi wo ho de ama contractor wo Ghana ha contractor na nyeme government de ma no ono won agreement say sika bi a obetua bi obema wo mbi ti kwan na yenye kuma sinkra kwan ye course how many years ni
ache
ukura yenye independence ye wo bibia wo ye ntimi link ye main north and south roads de bentia
greed
and corruption.
Some Jonah has hit the nail at the head.
Na say bia ye dem ase ye kam na ye ka kwa man MPC ni bi ka etimi mention estimated amount also about spending ha no be can say fairness e wo hinfa left right center there's no fairness in your political scene. Eti ho de me pese me ka ho asem kura. Me pese me ka ho asem kura. Na hwe de ne o man ya be wiewie. O man ya be wiewie yi bi in Tokyo Joe, yi bi laptop, yi bi around the city.
Around the city there there.
Police for the church.
It also say around the city. Around the city haircut. Now we nyina
chi musenya sika bitua man ko se ye tua sika ma.
Esa nipa na ye say abufuo.
Ye sure abufuo se wo so oje. Ene wo so obaji because ohia ne ne menti wo baji. Na obaji abeto conscience. Ene de bia be sat na musa. Na sika gudem ni akofa office of special prosecutor na ye kunwi ho obi nya sika ye je obi nya ye nye ye wura kofo dem kofo mo ye probo ho na mbe hu. Me ka say akwaje ache 66 school no buy no omo ye committee of inquiry into properties of ye bisa no questions we are say they no kunya property also ye zebus ni ansima be ye na be physical
ansima be ye na bread ska
one head of state so do no so ye bisa na say so nine na we dey not now so o we kala uli
eti enyu be odi kala odi sika
eno na enyini enya ntan enya mbatan ya atue number bia de bia sa na ye kodu top wa na ku bi aba na be settle ne yefra ase saa na ne de yesi empe ku bi mu a baby ekon it has gone through the roof and the whole dey mean kan ho asem kura power for sale in this dear country of ours
and the opulence with which and the minimum word not alacrity with which are among for shown out and then among for ye entrench say or say o tieska mo bi kwa unsro emoni hu
oh yeah because it's been accepted in the society
so your society no ya dia because me MP say opo akoye MP na say wantimi amre na busua anya bibi ama wo ma yeso ekoshini
me bache to bo ase okoboy omo ka che de say
lekma
omo ka che de say
omo so omo ya adore yan ma oba so ntua
awurade
obi ye we dey so ba engagement dey ade na say sika no kofa no we can only kenki
isi fi mo mi tie e bi no me hwe say openly me di free
na say yam so me complain no na me sabaji
me ye Ghana for
the people who the voters the electors should not complain
there be enen nkofo na fa with apologies to Rollins en sinkete wa odi pote ni ajo nam ni atetew
so why be who say o
cassette no with apologies to you from say
babies with sharp teeth
ye be jow put the baby nti atwanse no ano no akon atum
to mo betuma kasa in society it shut them up February Sam Jonah
Messi even leaders that the so-called spokesperson for the current leaders of MPP omo wo ho no nsem be na omo anka ene omo ba ye de be nsem na omo anka
okay
metimi akutu be bre nsem omo kan in the past and this nsem omo kan in the press identity of power afi obi anso asi tintimai wona opeso wura mu ye tintimai se ye mu obi enwura mbiem na obi nkwanko bi beba this is I mean twa kontompo
yeah
papa ti ono aye ne de krase meka bia man you see politics no the way should run we dumpim we bibia mu tie de beka enye omo na hwe
yeah
mo ma daroma ene e ba ha party bia nsoma me ha
that's right
intimi de me ba ne wo mpefe e maka kire ne a ope na waye power for sale this is what we are seeing Nashe representative represented the 5 or 10 aspirants for Ghana akromo yesay Nashe omo bill Nashe say enipa 900 nkwa ano ekoto aba na yenyanyiu no ofrase ebiti constituency executives meaning one constituency nipa ewom 825 so 845 one constituency o the bases akofa o nyina aba abehwo eni nipa nso yenyanyi okura for 9 afei na eyi we obesan ko obi ana so obeto aso akon na ni nyina asan ba na we ni maba we di o se na eyi obi tua e ma wo no obi tua se opervise nso ama na we si tua so pe afei they could do a party nuclear organizations that organ ha party be anyone headquarters sika o esika for no nkofo mu kra yi na net nchen wo mo sika de bibi enti wo so ye toothless bulldogs
because the party headquarters no kran so
the
rich
enye ni kwa se bakura me de minimo e kwa mo fa so frɛ Canada Japan se no kra so obi ne kwa complain so wo hwe TV so no mko ye ya ade na obi de ya bɔ na yi nani
nan de mo fa
ne ye mfrɛ at least two no me ni we yafa at least two no there should have been some balancing act bia betuma so de care say huni bibi aka bia ye huni no mun kan hunu se eyi nipa na ye de politics o na dodo ka bia
enso na hia
enye eyi representation south to north center ye kwa America yi utumi hu ye free baby red states blue states the buana omo elections determined by just 4 or 5
states
Ohio
entity kura mi enya na hem na electoral commission de bia ye sorry a ya no dem me na kasa
me pese unya time electoral commission ma me ntie eye ira Georgia pon no so party no wo gyina a wɔkɔ akɔ premra hye bedwa kra na minti ono so adwen kyerɛ wo
Waboa no ho.
ye ba ya Alan be I was all car 5 billion or 5 billion George apɛ cash go ono a business man kese pa
Na is it fair? So
was
person
so
come one go. I just saw more music and sana. I mean, you should tell them.
delegate we kwa breeze was say Mr. Awaje dey asem na yes you go sisi dey mama nti
Omanhene beda wase na machia wetiefo nyina machia adehye wokɔ abre enkankane go movement team no adwuma mo yama mani asopa ya mishira wo mo eja se ne nkrofo na me wehye me wofa osɛ kwabena duana busu apani a o wi amoase na ye 69 birthday.
Oh, okay.
Nyame mfa ekra
na me said it
enhyɛ den na ompagya no no nkurukura yɛ saa na wona foto enkomo ya yedi de yɛse yɛmfa mo ba hɔ ane de bɔ akoyɛ of as 19 kuro umia ne fe ya ne naite wa mia nso ane na ne pro ti sɛ de tie bia yɛnka ya ne bɛka ne ayɛ ho aduro the party no politics in Ghana echo of late no ya reho kakra na ya asefem so what your constitution 1992 constitution na it is not for nothing say mpanifo etna say dwene ye say constitution am ka say himfo mamonya politics because they realized that they were the figures na twobo eni ye bia ba omo ne nipa on betimi aka say hey momra won tena say we wasem ne say no mo asiesie na somdwe aba nti panifo side constitution no the spirit behind him for enye you know ti opim so yewra unse politics said afibian so to aba I don't know much say me pewe ana me pewe because we hunu say ne nana no ebi NDC ebi MPP ebi CPP ebi whatever ebi kura de on politics nti so koyi ne ho say me gina ha ana me gina ha sasemba ana say ahafo no on be hu ni sen na ahafo nso be hu ni sen enti won so wote ne peto so din oba no atufo no ahira na akọ eto be nkum eto ni fo emfa no ni nyina ye ne nana no enti in that wisdom enesenka ye leadership of the party a display sisi a we national council member wa kire ba bia wogina we national executive member wa kire ba bia wogina we constituency member wa kire ba bia wogina we MP wa kire de wogina we leadership of the parliament wa kire de wogina aha na wo so wogina enti ese twobo ye ya ba ni alliance ene pam no twa no ni nyina ne se ma kire me de ato ho me kwa akotena ase no pani be na efre ne nakasa party mu sisi pani ben na efre ewura alliance be ma de aduro no wia ye gina kwantana so enti we can afford say ba konfa na ba konfa ha ese nyina ya adwen kro ne ya koma kro ne etim de 2024
because what am menfi ne ka se won ko bi
na jiso obi do obi ka 1 billion no aba Omanhene so ntu esika no matemeko no adan na ni kwanti uji sika no de achew abodwo mu no de ama wono
ko bo ni tendua
enti se ukoye no na se yewura alliance ene pa no twa no contest ni nkobia even the dignity of the process is now compromised.
Yes,
adie ne fa ye then emudru ye and politics no election enye event o a process. So the process leading up to elections, you know, if it is compromised, and no matter what, the results will be same.
Yeah.
Because at the end, no said you would be an sana baby free na sana and more munso beye. And you see, yeah, Allah training what message is it sending to our opponents? Now, yeah, no, the kafa omo say o matata you rado for nen no ye trump card back. Yeah, betimi di abo omo mfe no. And then ye west. He say won so simple for nso otu say the omo die jae no nso die etu nti say empanufo be ya so that is the point in political space a change therefore that is no doubt in political space ye kan ala mo du sene therefore nti the empanufo ya na bi no bokoko e ka say ehun hia say we leadership of the party we you anim friend wo fie ka kire no ne hira no bia mewura a na bi metawachi nanso so unse party ne ma ye kwan me yenyi anim enti wo kɔ no ka hu se wona me nenam wona na kasa wo dem enti ero pim so odi nkomo wo dem a ne nyina ne pia bonten mpanimfo ekɔ no ho no yenim nkomo no omudi na okuko obi ante obi anim the so kana bonten wo ka the so ka that is leadership se sie ya kan putom yi a ahono twon no ekwa ba ne ye fa so a ye manate
ebe ko pa jinjiri nsu
na sa politics here 2024 elections in so a unique of its own,
very peculiar.
And the dynamics any circumstances ni nyina so besesa so obekaya the year 2000 Euro akofoba sabre do na coalition OBT Euro Amels the then candidate OBT no over 800,000 votes. Year 2004 elections.
Wow, no quite dry.
Yeah, babe 400,000 plus.
Yes, that was 52%.
And now other one year. Year 2016, we won over 1 million votes. 53 point something percent. 2020
Mahama had 44.
Mahama had 44. 2020
he came to 47.
He came to 47.
And from 1.something million
reduced to 500,000. So look at the trajectory and the events that has unfolded before. Until history now you want to break the 8. Yeah, 2009. And now you did 40,000 in lose year. We couldn't jump the by then with 40,000.
Yes.
And now what it means is said yes, I dwindled from our fortunes at the about 500,000. It is either we are closing the gap in 2024 or we will be short fall by later. Into mpanimfo edi party nanum na omumu oduro no se ekoba se obi se matwe me ho na de menase po bi ba na wotwe ne ho abat ye maye mo obi anso na ada ne ho se me ewura ala mate se nipa bi ye argument se ragu brobe ko e wantimi anfa bi anko pa kwasi ko e wantimi anfa bi anko we ko some people are making that argument mo obi na ada ne ho obi amuduro nko unim.
Not to cut you, 2007 after Kofoidia.
Yes.
Francis Asiem Frimu. Obeda Samuel Trasi.
Yes.
Three Pokumunmi Adi Frimu. NDC won the elections. Because now Omu wait.
And
in the party no nenye. Even though Obeda Samuel was respected that now party not taking decisions say about the mudrua. I said you get at that time kana ni mo do channel. They won the we a mistake. Say Sadina by you will be or
na
or 21 Gusitando. He cost NDC in 2000 elections. Anabwa. Gusitando the
yeah.
Or training one e cost to NDC.
Now you see, do you even give that chance? That chance no what they told why then. See imagine Ireland adne party no atna from the inception of the party.
92.
And the party no see kuta 47% core supporters e beto abama ya. You can't take it away say Alan emu 4% yene dia yene dia bo no feed
me de yaw ne amemefia
sa 4% no ye woni pa bi ho a omo ye from core supporters o ka so omo no poison krombe no.
Yes,
we have those supporters it is a uti anye ye na it is even 2%.
No mo twe omo ho a
na 2% no ebi on koto man DC but our party or the yaw ne ade man kwan koto
47 about 45.
what about 45 wow mu no so no. Naturally, your fortunes are dwindled because of the trajectory and the event that we know.
And the economy no near my
and near be so you're incumbent there. Yeah, chichiri bibi aso awa efa. Yang kan say President Kufuor the gold bars a good name pass me ni pebi gidi okuruma.
We see Jubilee Eddie Ja Teresa.
Ama ni pebi gidi. Eyi almost say swimming pool on the bedroom. Emma President Kufuor the ahomete ko bi in the bedroom kire media.
Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi. I credit ajma.
And you see,
Kufuor.
And
I quite like my son of free press said the jacuzzi.
So you realize and somewhere you know so to aba we kurumani nipa to aba any our level of reasoning will be our one the no. You don't take anything away.
Yes, sir.
me team Asia near analysis and they share ya ho ade ne niam akwan be fa so e betimi akoye ni ade. And one of the guys made fantastic submissions. You see, the who can yes akrache for na ekoto aba ne dia. And then nka na wa we. Na mum ka hu say nipa so mesin so betu bi. Nipa na obo ni den no. Awa na obi aso se no so unim so no so betu bi. Ye wo saafo no bebire so ho. Enti in the equation no untimi nya x constant in politics. You have to balance it. It is a political trajectory in the national replica. No?
You have to think like somebody. I will say Oninyansa.
What the office Oninyansa no?
Juninyansa ni adwene. They say be where Jimmy to go no obeto aba ni bi. The ehia no ne the Oscar.
Obi abeto
come dey no ne the one.
So you should meet everybody halfway.
Now june man the
one man ko and the otia condition ko.
Obeto aba twa wo vote.
Sanet and vote no so bi anso ye one. It has the same value.
Elections.
Nana do beto bi or the same value. What
kaya ye ni beto bi.
Kaya ye ni na oda in race course no so beto bi. It has the same value. It is a wo dwene in political space. Na sa wo dwene say enipa only one more elections, no, and I say one more akoto aba no.
It looks as if MPP you are thinking like that now.
For now,
I don't know, but I stand for Christ. I say MPP. The hierarchy is now thinking, say, as if say, a bourgeoisie is being an organ here.
But what I'm thinking is, I say, or more and say, Yentinti and Sunum and Honfa Bakuncha. You could do con so I about ABCCH. But I knew be an iron money or the chow.
Oh, yes.
And you be an outiti and an answer or the chow. And the Omo strike a neat balance. Party no, at the honor. Delegates na ekoto aba no omunim de omo pe no se yewura ba omi ana omo pe na untimi nsesa no untimi nya ho hwe se yewura kan na omo pe na untimi nsesa no untimi nya ho hwe omo wo de omo pe no se yewura free akutu no omo pe na there is nothing you can do. Likewise adenimu
enti omo ye bi on national elections
montena se yes
that's how elections
enti mo de mo ni mo nkomo wo dem na mo a asemba mo betimi afre aka asiesie no in the interest of the politics no na mo munyai enti say
council for this committee fathers omani ma mo bi ehun say ogina ho na asemba
kweden no afre no that is the point abanza wa compromise on integrity
ye pene o fe Mr. Boakye me ne wanya asem wa ka kire omo nyina so
me de anye na afre say o ba be sie sie dia o ye bua me for we
we are from Mr. Boakye say o me come ne wo
that is the point.
What are you going to tell George Beji Atum? You have already taken sides.
Enunti na o ye jaja na ya ma wo mre da ho ba kono say you avoid excommunication asemo a wo court unka ho asemo abonten uni ho nkomo parties na kura wo no mu ne hweye sa na tie wo ye pani anti na ye nananom hemfo no ye say ma wo nye politics because omo hunu say politics no be compromise o integrity enti asemba ya enunti na asem bie mu odene bia no ese yenkope nananom omo tena ase anso na omo atimi aka because ono de wotene petu so eno aka ne chaacha so ono wasem na emfa ne ho nti wo ka wo de adwene mu fine ne adwene mu tie ene clear conscience ena e ka asem no o ka asem no so asem bi wa etimi kan na tia wo ba wa akotena ase akohu za asem we de odifo so ojitum so odifo wa betimi ate ho ase na mom se nipa na ono wo ba be ka asem no edika compromising integrity a asem no wo ka ne tia me na minim se tia me kura menya bibi di ahye because now no go can say ugina we achi anase o ka say masem nye de what is ka say masem nye
me ba isi ani e call it so ko bi so bi di jeti abra me sa bo ati say west nu gunanu ma e bi e use me me sa ba ji me ba isi ani ya to aso e kro ma o yin bit me di asem o wi e o say mo we apai kro ma no George what di asem ni wi e na
what's a more than so memfa
o tie ni mi enu sa say Oza we di aba dabi waje bia so de modu di asem no sa so hwe asem we fe no mahunu apai ei nana osi apai the waje George obi aso de modu me kama hai afosi apai obi anko asem pai ma ye it's really a seven pie or quarter here, George. Okay. Otasika Rab Bank, a savior in Rural Bank. Bomodna say oneno ebedi enkita ho. Otiase kan Emma ye a product we have infant minor savings account. Usie sika ma bofra ne dachi. Sanso na your government anase usika control accountant general. Salaried worker. Bomodna say obetimi aba bosia wo no advance salary loans yebeboa commercial business loans so ye wo ho funeral loans efie say wo pe bosia ye micro credit ye ma betima kamwa bom bienu miensa no guarantor no collateral interest no so ewo from pa Western Union money transfer Ghana Pay MTN mo nyina ye oti aseka wo Kofi Ase headquarters manpo adjust Bokoma Bofo macro any historic Adventist hospital and mun kin so Swami market and Dr. Mensa Fre 0504 842957 0504 842957 3A Herbal Center the 3 Eco capsules aba a bo wo ho ban free cocoa ho ebesi cocoa na sekra sisi ade cocoa de ban nyina be free ho afeso so ema wo ye muntim wo penny doso po to afre 0546 106 107 0546 107 107 afetie me en komoni nyina ko wie se Treaty of Arc Limited ye de wo etu kwan ye de wo tu kwan ana ye de wo ekọ Romania we obi a wo ye factory adwuma supermarket wa ye adwuma order ye maame no mo manyinyini mere wafo e friend care mechanic wo ye fitani a wa kwadre fit adwuma wo ye kuani wo ye plumber wo ye tiler wo ye cleaner caterer driver e kwan be da ho say Treaty of Arc di wo ko Romania na wo ye nurse ni person ko Canada na UK wo Canadian review programs so nko a 1 year do be kwamo akosua niema after 1 year no any Canadian hospital be able to aye adwuma ho sanso na person diploma bachelor na say football na pop sports visa for any Treaty of Arc Limited ewa Adoato Masalachi wo Kumasi Report Junction and crying so Kasua New Market Road, Fidelity Bank, first floor. Your number is 0205 572076 0205 572076 and 0531 644217 0531 644217. Na Bibia Akosu Kama Edia Malesta Ghana Limited. And you, the Yaz was in Pada. Yes, near Mano, near the Yazi, see your bucket takes your medium size and Ketuani Nina. Toothpaste, no see a whitening powder. Just a wabi dear dance, you say. And Yama atu to Yama was saying a senior dinano, Unyan Kambia or Num. Sanitary parts, money this is your more kama, a bravo on sa, your minty extra long, pepper extra long, there were heavy flow, air light flow, need normal flow. Toothbrushes, Duke, Duchess, Princess Monarch, and also Joshua, a kama pa. Bomodina, the Pusu, Humano, Pendoso, Porto Afre. Yeah, 2-4 start to name chain, a word doom 0501. 390337 Ufra Mr. Mankwa and answer also for Bejo so 0501 390337 and 0501 390338 Mami Abe and our bano ya wo no ya who say or ya sickle say SS ka ho fa ne ko wo bibidro kama waswa de be ka bofrano na bofrano be tene ho Mami Africa memu anyina obi a ginidi eba hepatitis eba gonorrhea eba fibroid na obema so nya adwuma nka ye obu nsa na wo kamu wakote syphilis ana malaria na aba ne sa yade ne nyina utwa ana abofra no wotwa ana se etwo na abehye ho ye bema waduru amana nane ye sickle cell test nes kan nyina da number no ye 0506 460208 0506 460208 and 0243 345392 Tano Swapatapa new site Apatapa Junction ye be hopa ube huyen na bibia akoso Kala digital satellite sani amote nkano 17 inches to 65 sharp omatete so say who a two-bar modern tabletop fridges single and double door ebi ho chest freezers enso ho no air conditioners obenya bi fufu pounding machine eno no ye wo de wa use no fie de wo de commercial o yam nkrofo fufu e ma wo mo so we machine ye industrial ene ye wo de wo fie wa wo use o sanso na popcorn machine bi a gas bi electric laptops ahodo microwave oven kettle blenders ni cookers Oba yen ewo kokro bi te junction traffic lights na sepe ewon kan wager old barrier Kumasi Family Plaza first floor building ye Ben Boss FM Samson na Patasi Adom House first floor no depot and check on ye 0244 385128 0244 3851 I care hair back clinic IRSFA Ejusu Zongo Junction pe if you joada ekope memne da 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. ye juma na se o kase ho aka o 9 na 12 ho afechire o kotodwe ye wo ya wo ho na wo joints eswele eye kese ehunhuna na wo kon ye wo ya fa ekopie mu wo I care hair back clinic ye de paroni ba maba for sisiade sasabro general bodily pain tipaye and ye de hapati aba hapati boa blood pressure e mamoja di mu afusane menses na wo bu nsa ye friend of dysmenorrhea wo di yaw sana moja no suntimi maye no nyina no hapati be boa Freddie Mens Danny Heba Colina Misty Habe ubenya bi frey 0530 721 165 0530 721 165 and 0530 288 510 Naki Publications ye the books papa be just what JHS name primary and kwalani nyina atumu Naki Publications ye the creative art basic 1 to say JHS 1 to 3 ye will combine creative arts and design for basic 1 to 6 and JHS 1 to 3 RME religious and moral education books and so basic 1 to 6 JHS 1 to 3 atuma boko ena ye factory wa chese oba books papa no yeah now pebi pa dia Sweet Mama Bookshop Foco Bookshop and a Dinash Bookshop was Santimantem ha uko pay more tamalia Gloria Bookshop then La Masago Bookshop and Kind Methodist Bookshop and a Errand Bookshop SIC More a Ben Best Point Service and Loans Pusu Ahomane Tony Doso Po na Efa Call Shop na no one will be ato a Banaki Publications books there RME Creative Arts and Designs and no one no 0244 892 040 0244 892 040 and 0205 320240 0205 320240 21st Clinic Anne me come for 21st Clinic mau ye ka 21st and the 21st century no it's a modern day clinic uko bull round martin say waba clinic machine say wo lab ahodo scan service ahodo massage machine treatment ahodo we treat all kinds of disease from your head to toe nemo ya kwadare ya expertise pa in sciatica say wo to ase akopem na ntini twetwe won dia 21st clinic kopie mu honomo herbal medicine and ye dey adwuma 15 branches Kumasi Ashan Overseas Junction Alpha Radio Chain ye ben pa Council Quarters War Call Junction Obuasi Domi Ewon Kind Domi Market and Sunyani Kranzani Techiman Pusu Ahomano ye call center maba wana ye krado ofra mo mbeje so 0540 311 311 nekawasem chiro 0540 311 311 and 0249 311 311 and it is so her back clinic Dr. Eldo who susibin kancho say when ni ene okania eni so mo eni so ye wisi ofa buku awunhunu wo spectacles grass eye asem wako ye operation so and yes glaucoma yes angle glaucoma yes wenya myopia wenya eye pressure low vision when nyina no call Dr. Elda Owusu and it is so herba Kumasi Akwada so Estate Park and kind Tabora Alaji Walako Junction Ubehuya susu ewo Takrade Port Cortes ye ben Archbishop Porter girls school na Pusu ahoma no pay mwani nyawo ya sa anta ho anadwu nyina wana 0559 901234 0559 10901234 0559 0596-901234 and 0596-198884 0596-198884 Mizo manom drink ni bi na kama manya 5G energy ama me amebo atwuma jinsi na wo mu no ma bema CPC ta green tea no ma sote e fa wo nipaduam eyi cholesterol no free veins de muntimoja di mu afurusane afei wanya grapes guarana and a grapefruit to relax your body and distress you na afei wunya mizo no so come out me say one baby ye wo mango and ye wo fruit no ye mixed fruit ubenya bi ato e wo KF Kunju Enterprise in Rome Swami Heya afei Kokochi company okufori the Eastern region Nasachi Enterprise ewo Asafo Abinchi VIP car park wo PNC ewo Charity Hospital Junction and in the animu anomanye na Atcom Royal Ventures Mama Esther Ultra Baptist University abuhuyen and a Bikan supermarket sister Sewa Abawa post office manager Daniel ewo 21st clinic ehwa overseas obehuyen ho Boris B chicken the BBC and that chicken dear no one will be a local and yet the aqua ida akoko force be a unim say akoko no so considiosis be the hekum almost a day way a local a heya na a halal samika halala a malam and a slaughter and 2 year ceremonial to me be your broiler and your layers a fay a organic as it's any say yem fast steroids vitamin antibiotics ne vitamins be shako kon manye kutu ye man feed ankasa obia or we BBC chicken or stay healthy your full chicken 1.6 weight kilograms 1.4 1.3 na 1.2 your tire ya packet tire kwa drumstick no your the extra 7 no wings no de pao obi season ya jajajai breast no ne bolo akoko na just say no and I say my friend fillets no and they won't gizzard wo ho your layers wo minced meat obo awo and krama wo feel betuma be tobi akoma wo mo we pa and no for dogs omo yeah assistant dogs ne wan no omo top papa lenkrama no ho ye fe ya kese Bantama High Street ya ne press within hwe animu Aswase market so be hu ye Santasi runabout ye ne unity o within hwe animu Poku trading ubenya bi ato SG Mall top tech ubenya bi and a shell body junction ye ton BBC chicken ho ye number ni nie 054 44 44453 054 44 44453 054 44 44453 BBC eyifi akoko na bibia ede akoso kama Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services so ko beyond mass stroke diabetes hypertension typhoid fever yade fruit so ko people nase abefo ene tete kwantim pono ya the machines naba de mo meba dudo se eba duan hini ene duan haban no dia tete de no a sakeka do ne wose de ka ho hwentia pepre ene oniaba ene niema ne wose ka bomu na ye de boaw na utimi ede wo ho a jenne oh so kopie wa na abu se Grace Gift was said down kwadre ewo ebibidrom na obemma wawo na obema na atofom so ebe peja na fei prostate cancer no ebetwetwe na bibia na enlargement na akoye era no pay Oshim School Junction Barekase Kwaso Dr. Friend no sanso na new Achimota Petroleum Banglo ye ne Family Life International School dey hwanimu your number is 0246 518003 0246 518003 and 0543 320030 Mr. Waji, Electoral Commission.
You, I'm saying we were one Ibia person on the political scene. Unfortunately for Ghanaians, you know, Obia Peso ye Bibia, the two main political parties, you know, had innovation about the first time Obia or ye president, ye voting out, also Benny. And on the other party, you know, so the first time one more a Notna as party leader. I won't say a fan as party leader. Yes, a fan as a Muslim. na yes I break 8 nti aye hop step and jump amount nti all these instances you know, every soul counts every vote is vital nti also mo hwe enema yi
first time is going to be
yes
so MPP tuma ba me obey Muslim leader
and I said ne do ka ko dey san first Muslim leader the first Northerner as a leader and then
MPP
and then the first time we want to break the aid that we need
but to free 2
now
times
here senior world economic order agange up against Ghana no loan Tokyo Joe haircut abem Emma 600 million CDC per Ghana buying pay. Febra ye bre. Sisi kwa second tranche no kwa no. Yinhu ne ekwa kodu. Afi ye wo budget. A wo si reading in November. MPC a wo mo kwa mienu kura aka se wo mo improve budget no ma wo no ma wo mo achire wo. Enti no wo mo hwe no omu fa omu nya kikikiki no ne yento ye bo ase organize enema yie ma Ghana enkoso.
All right.
Electoral commission.
I mean, my about 4 minutes now.
Yeah, but they would have abandoned niska. I was here true nipa sudin. Minister electoral commission, my minority on. What should I say? On for machines and various places sending our year in the first. No mum sikasem, and yet. Na dabe kwa no mo ko chuchu din first kwa tu oboka wie any election dabe kwa ni tu.
Besi na kwa bebrede
ah. Enti ye bo ma me na chiri kwa omo anim me pese o mbe actors ostriches ene omo kasa omo anyi na anim se budget ye de ma me no enye adequate se obeye doorstep registration
okay
enti no se ye mani sika de a obeye ene obi aban na di nkuta ho bia wo sika se mu no otumu se onu pakro no o de infinity wo de ka nti se maami ma abontene emfade no ya me emblemu maami no mo ono nko ani din omo mfemra nko hwe se ya mani sika na ono ahye da se onye ade no ana ha na me de megidi se enye saa na ope megini di na emom fameko no eni ho nti na abanisa se omo de suru ayi bamu no ena requirements no nso ono no so ono no ka ekwan opese ofa so no parliament ya ma ne kwan
Ghana card
and Ghana card enti suma ma me kwan dia ene me so me ye bibia afrenchem ma anti mi nko fa mi nko fo ngugu ba bi na mi kase metu o maka bra iskani ho card no kra printing ne ho ne ma ne bebre ene also mo lazy well with Ghana card o mo lazy well with passport look at passport scene I acquire requirement utwiti 30 million 3,000 for passport ne kra ma na ne ko ya scrap machine 28 na ba e bedru on the 14th na bibi ekosi ehefa no ma na ayesa wenum nyina wo yenye sika kra scrap machine ne de akoprint e be ne yenye sika kwa trochu din akoprint ka de manipa nti me pese political parties in diversity omo attention to the government and the Ministry of Finance. So making sure
so more available funds
resource properly. Now for what transfer ne but me nyini se ba me ne betu am this come na transfer. This ayi na ba ne de. Go so human hin odika obi edika na enso no obi asuro o so saka poma yintim fam wa no enka nkyira ba ne se ono no o so okopi sika me de rani e de yesa de na skani ho nti na ba ne sa.
Yera ba me ntio
Omanhene
and then make sure they nya time it has the almost ya no pese almost so commenting teams aboaje o kasa wie ya na ye bia homa na tum na ya te almost so nsem
Omanhene so hwe ya podcast discourse ya na nya twomsem ne doso wo ena ma ye nkomodie wo political space ne ya na ma ye nsem bebre ye wo because at the end of the day parliament a combination of NDC and MPP members and approve budget to electoral commission.
To some extent, they know how much.
They know how much it is in the coffers. Apart from knowing how much, no, or may to me say yes, will be our right to vote. No, Kai who say it comes with responsibility. It is a brass says or to abana pes or to aban. Now we are wetted short says oh your mouth to aba. Let's say young fans out take us them. Memfa me constituency example. Extreme ends in America. What take us that's the extreme end. Yes, Abraham Ponte be twere within na team to aba. Also won't me ma. You are not even worthy of even voting. Won sakura so to aba. untimi mma mamponten ma me register enkonkoto aba e wo kasem ana se untimi mfire hwa emma mamponten e me register ana mfiri Kenya ase ana yemfa no ba bi e wa pa ye constituency ho e ye ba man amape froka bra mamponten e bra be register na nya akwanya nya tumi timi to aba e kire the opposite wo medi aban. Now if you are not responsible enough to be able to come from Baman to Mampontin so be register e then I go ye aban say obi medi aban.
No one is scared.
That is their responsibility.
So Obia, the responsibility, no, the desire is there, but taking me there anywhere.
Only car, and nobody in your family can assist you. Your parents cannot assist you. You yourself cannot assist yourself to come to Mampontin to register. Kesika, I will never be wabusium. Once we never be wadamfu bi anso ntimi ma obi. Obi a political party na who wants to see us over to man leadership no bi anso ntimi mwa. Uni kwa bi abefa so aba timi aba beto aba there. No kwase no nse so to aba. Kra because party ni kuro bi a won bi and political party leaders so police station executive ni ade. Yen fan so we police station executive awo me a police station chairman o medoma. Obi aba. Honorable Mr. Me pese me twere me din ni bi. Na me nika scam de be come Mamponten. Abra me minimum say case ka de
corruption starts from
minimum say obi wa genuinely obi wa genuinely yem fan say genuinely onya bi wo ba bia enti people like that
it mean no me a police station agent
na me 5 cities
oh
that's obi betimi aka na say
I gave you the chance to go register what did you crowd the catch
mama re situation bi e wo constituency bi sitting MP no or ma omo organize or mo ho a no high car no do omo atenem
na anope obi send e ka no also bar subscribe ready
na ono mo ba ye no because period no so no omo anwie ehin fa no ombedadua be no ombedie enti enye mie lord fair no nko na wo so consider
obu out ne ba no
say period no so recession period no so wa ha ba send the number kofo be free other places yaba obe enu no so na bo no nu mo so mo pon
so mo na aduane di
so ada se wo sande ne ko wa sande na ba ana so mo na aduane di na man ba bi da eno ne more expensive say lorry fare na be
limited registration ankasa in itself no you realize say eye omo a afi no anya 18
ene wo omo a
ebi wo ha on
registered na no atu kwan ne
ye wo bi wo ho no man so a ye kurum ha opa afa besi ne kwan no obetwam akwa ba
MTN ne Vodafone
register sim afi ebi tie Stubborn Academy so omo de omo register by etwam so oba be dede so whichever way there will be circumstances that will be affected enti say electoral commission the oman yedro sabre nese na ho bo anso na kwankro betimi are register in all the outlets that's why na district you so awofo na ye wo ma na ye person o mo to aba nkere o ma you should also be responsible enough
and
support them to do that so awofo ntimi a you have political party leaders here ebi betimi aboa u betimi anya adamfo bi betimi aboa I mean so obi ma okay to go and register at the district level na there encha de anya de a eboro so pass bi a enti yenti e ho asese right bi a goes with responsibility.
Okay, na mamenya birthdays na fe me momra homa no so Todisak and Property Electronics FBA showroom no sanya me kan no ewo Sunyani Kokobo roundabout opposite OA Bus Terminal and a Greater Kumasi opposite New Melcom. Na management aye o madwene say tie me ye say cherished customers omo the special promotion bar 5 days esasia 11th September to 16th enti Monday a ebe kopem Saturday yesi next week na from 10% to 50% huge discount tie me o Adea Akye no you betima ma 10% discount u betima tony am 50% zabaji easy Tony Sack free juada ubora New Melcom Adum opposite to a showroom ho anase ukọ Sunyani Cocoa roundabout any OA terminal no anase Adum inside SC Karam hodomo a 10 to 50% discount. To Pakoto TV, Fansa TV New Year, Abia 20 million. Uto TV New Year, yes, it 10 million. Hey, Dewa, fridge now toya from 10 to 50% discount. All the products, oh, yeah, Obeto, it's a 10 to percent. Hey, your friend, huge discount. Yeah, they my cherished customers. It's a free draw dash and so. Ubo rack Tony Saka ye beer, u TV na say u fridge, and I say air conditioner na open, microwave oven, blender, kettle, washing machine. Ya tisu say who? Fresh 0500309309 for details. 0500309309 for details. And na enyo nam eresi akolache o birthday. And then so Prophet Victor Kusi Boakye, leader and founder, Power Chapel Worldwide. And then so Asida Fosia Atta, of Virginia, from your dad King Jones Atta, Miss Sewa Beatrice of a child Crow Methodist Primary, Kachre will be so Mautrinkwa, Miss Sewa Beatrice, sweet wife Mrs. Irene Boatye, Ukruya, Mr. Boakye, CEO of Irene Bolt Enterprise. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Adams Isifu, Regional STEM Coordinator GS, Ashanti Mantemwa, Oyire Eso Mautrinkwa, Kennedy Osai Boakye, aka MPPSC Dunketia, Unit Committee Member, Kentin Krono Sende from Nanaya Boama. Join me on the line this morning, 0551 931 931, 0548 931 931. In the next 6 minutes, let's pick your call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I can't hear you, man.
How are you?
Oh, man, if I told you, I don't catch MP4, man, say. MP4 say, a party, a kind party. It's about never crown. Who are more cassa? I will pay to my end. I said, yes, to my man, the MP4 so here. MP4 cover when you almost is wrong. And yet, people so shame you too much would be a woman and ma.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir. By Tiano Pay.
Ayo, Yamamuni Juma. Hey, no, also for me, but or which is you yeah, still a papa.
Awful.
Yeah,
producer, just a Busano.
No question, and someone able boss a call MPP when Omonia you. Na Ghana, any that stroke as here. Say the NDC MPP to send your soa. MPP no ba, yana a Boakye, said your my amount penny for a buyer, or the Ghana could read. What did to Tony Mawa? And she almost nothing on my papa. Omunyai, or your ceremony, or your ceremony. Na the Ghana 4 year play, and will be obeying your boom mine. I could drum. Now, what's me? I don't know. Credit periphery.
May I see your penny? Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Why you?
But your friend is Juliana.
Juliana, ain't you on pay?
But I'm 50 years with the Domoyano. You're passing Jane, Tomoyana, be there before my.
Oh, Mati Juliana. Hello, morning. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Yes, sir. Why you? I'm into your job.
About my answer program, I am reality. My didn't say, who am the Duke essentially? And some medical, I want to an outside physical and every I said, I want to eat in Omanhene Yaw. Somebody and found from Nagana and Conte. Be there, she meant from extraordinary and saying, and then the so much of Omanhene Yaw and say, your way. No beyond some of money. Shall empty and you go down for free. Be there, the back of water to near what change. With more of a crowd of a quack. Unya kwanko. In this answer, I say a shaniaka. Now, I said you should be an oil. Hello, good morning, Oman.
Me ba cho ye ti wa no pay.
Oh, program no na America kakra. Mine na no ka say the politicians are more corrupt no me ne ya 100% pa. And say be boa Ghana yenye yemfe 90 from ne penny power be di no kra ma Oman na yetimi akoso ni mpuncho. Me din de gajo me ka say fe boa kwa.
Gajo, hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning. 0551931931. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my dear.
I'm Patana Moye.
Yeah, who ya do now so
You saw the more.
I ain't tell one pay.
If I talk a time to see the they stand to go. So I want to my year. Not in time. Where's this constitution? Your penny, our baby. Not about a stop. I put your walk. What was it for Papa? And was same with that. I confirm now. Not a present to you.
Hey, Oba. I do pray. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Oman.
Pacho Wendy.
I say TJ make us free pay mine.
TJ for why?
Na the woman say, "How say ye can see a hot no you who are said na you can come and come." Day no kwa one day was solid one yet work and cover the you be the credit. Now I can't just say any pan say on person nya on person to aba. Sikani on else in your delegate we case come na say sikani kikabo mai timi and may see the yardin. If he say a card in see us the scan a chema delegate akaka the name come boom from where you see no from me man. Miss Majon children.
Now, on so then I didn't say Abba. Yemfa the chat for cry. Hello, good morning.
Whatever.
Pacho Wendy.
Well, I don't know about Copper. Opeska good day.
Always car for every echo.
Madam Sepa. I think say, if you know, I say, what your political parties now, or the limited registration on a bank performance because of my Juma, our Mamponting health center, as you say, Mamponting polyclinic. Of Oba Mamponting on my one assembly, or should be a for free. And Sana, Oma to coin and Oma Faka, Abba, I assembly war, Abe National Health Insurance. And I plus your time saying, fair easy registration, yeah, of an indicator. If you have any family or more villages, then I'm waiting to register na 2024. Then you know, you have to abandon say, boom, and the amount of Dr. Laji Mamudu Bamia, Nanado, and your power starting in our Baba to us at your career.
Thank you very much on the note of boom, no, Meda Era George upon go movement. Ewa kwabre, Sansra, Mesabwa, just so better say, Sanso na chief executive producer, bright entry. Ene team ni nyina no ye de asedo ene nana busua pani aduana busua pani owo we amoase nana osai kwabna wa wo de se jojo ponso o mautri nkwa enim se wo hwe na utie therefore na de show ni nyina ayo audio waje fans ni nyina abusiafo be di musi abudi abi ene abedwafo na ede na si ya ese Georgia free ya suspending no na ya yi na free abanim ya disqualify Georgia free na say see a contest no ayefo eyampa ede na si a George free okopa GFA presidency a yes ya disqualify no because edin bi akoso a edin no qualify say be Georgia free disqualified. Hey, Ghana foi. Alan de Libya. Que já soube ko. 5G.
Don't could be a poor mix 25G. Esa papa, esa so ye valid. Utimi fan of law, utimi crowd is a free. Fisa promoting here, no so ye valid king. Oba mi fia. No one amenum, some call Jumana, some blah, no one amenum. Messay, Oba mi fia, no one amenum, some call Jumana, some blah, no one amenum tea. oko kroma no an ye fun fruit no so no ma oti juice ni bom me se sai oko kroma no an ye fun fruit no so no ma oti juice ni bom aninti Ghana ya like wate wonyame or the dog by chere wate which ya me 25 years to be wate fisa di eteme ye na je se obisa abu.
Let's get ready.
My name is Kwesi Antich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world.
Are you?
No, I was not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go, I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready?
I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
After we lost that against Sevilla and Basel and in Kiev and these kind of things, it's not bad to get to the final.
Because we were able to win this competition, really difficult competition, but at the end we had the energy, the strength, the belief that we could win, we won. I have a fantastic squad, fantastic experience.
93.1 www.superfmonline.com. Of course, your chance. Yeah, Bob Modena, yet me a day footage Madena Baba Rametimi Omanhene Yaw na ene ye da so nkwekwede ama Omanhene Ghana na